Good morning, it's Thursday, May the 14th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halts, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. It's a relatively slow news cycle day. I've only got two press releases to report on, one from the U.S. side, one from the Canadian side. No halts to report on at this time. So let's get down to it, folks. Our first story is CHDT Corp, trades on the bulletin board under the symbol CHDO. The company is reporting first quarter revenues of $1.7 million, which represents an increase of almost 200% over their year-over-year numbers. The last year's first quarter of 08, they had only reported 574, so this quarter we've got $1.7 million. In addition, the company finished the quarter with a backlog in orders of $3.7 million, which are to be shipped in the second and third quarters. The company recorded a quarterly loss of approximately $300,000, which is smaller than the loss last year of $590,000, so it represents a narrowing of losses by 49%. Management expects the losses to continue into the second and third quarters, but reaching profitability by the year end. A little bit about the company. They're focused on development, manufacturing, logistics, and distribution of consumer products to retailers and wholesalers throughout North America. Company's last at 1.5 cents, 52-week high of 3 cents, low of 1 cent, and a market cap of approximately $8.4 million. Moving on to our next company, Stealth Ventures, SLV. They trade on the venture. The company is reporting an increase on its average first quarter production of 10% to 460 barrels of oil equivalent per day, and this is over the fourth quarter of 2008 production. This also represents an increase of 87% from the company's first quarter of 08 production level. Highlights include the company's net present value of Stealth's estimated future net revenue based on forecast prices and costs of approximately $29 million. This represents a 111% increase year over year. A little bit about the company. They're a Calgary-based junior oil and gas company whose expertise and focus is on unconventional gas reserves from shale gas, CBM, and tight gas sand reservoirs. Last at 11.5 cents, high of $1.28, low of 8.5 cents, and a market cap of approximately $11 million. And it looks like we actually just had a halt come in, so this one's for you, Mr. Peter Grandich. They actually do come in at the end of the show once in a while. The company is Rockgate Capital Corp. They trade on the venture under the symbol RGT. They've been halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for tuning in. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Please make sure to tune in again tomorrow when we've got more great press releases and halts in the AM for you.